Welcome to Unique Learning. You are today knowing about this beautiful coleus plant, which is having maroon colored leaves with green on the boundaries. See what wonderful plant this is. This is a summer plant. Generally it's seen in the summer season as a ornamental plant, but it's available throughout the year. It's an annual, it's there throughout the year. Students, this is your coleus or Plectranthus scutellareoides, which is also known as coleus blumei. You see, because of its foliage, that is the leaves, which are so colorful and wonderful, they are used as ornamental plants in our gardens. They can be put in the pots like this, or they can be grown in the garden. They can be put on the hedges. You can see they can be alternated with other varieties of plants in your garden, and they can be put in your pots like this. Because of their beautiful foliage, they are put in the gardens. They grow up to a height of about 12 centimeters. They can grow. Actually, there are different varieties of coleus. This variety is having very colorful leaves, which are basically of maroon color. You can see it's having these colorful leaves with a green color on its edges. Looks so beautiful, and it is having such smooth leaves. Leaves are smooth, and you can see the venation on the leaves. There are net-like pattern of venation on the leaves. See, small leaf is there inside. So it has got a reticulate venation on the leaves. And you see, this plant's beauty is not in its flowers, but its wonderful leaves. Leaves of this plant itself are so wonderful that they can be decorated in your house. This plant can be put in your house and it can be cared for. You have to just water it regularly and add manure. You can add cow dung manure and little bit of vermicompost can be added, which will give this plant its wonder and beauty. Students, this is your coleus or Plectranthus scutellareoides with the hard and thick stem. You can see this stem has become hard. This stem of the plant also become hard. So if I want to continue its propagation, I will have to cut from the top end. I'll have to cut some shoots, and then I can grow them in soil separately, and I can trim them from here, from the bottom part itself. If I trim them, then it will grow back on its own, you know. So it can be pruned timely to maintain it throughout the year. So you can continue like this growing coleus. With one plant you can make so many plants. So it's very easy to grow and it's very easy to maintain. You just have to water it and keep it in shade, so it will come up nicely. So enjoy growing coleus with me in Unique Learning. Subscribe to the channel and learn more about these wonderful plants. Thank you.